that you guys are here for the very same reason I'm here for. We're a bunch of very angry animals right here in Tucker's Mind Square today. What animals are they actually? Are they angry chickens? Angry dogs? Oh, angry elephants. Angry birds. I told you it's angry birds. So, I heard that today is the first ever Singaporean appearance of Angry Bird Stella. Are you guys excited to see her? Cool. But first of all, I need all you guys to warm up first. Parents, bring your kids to stand up in 3 seconds, right? 3 seconds, everyone stand up. Let's play a little game, right? 1, 2, 3. So right now, everyone stand still like that. Frozen. And when I say angry birds, you have to use your body and your face to act like an angry bird, like this. Angry bird! You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. You look like sleepy birds. Come on, give me angry birds. 1, 2, 3. You guys can do a little bit better. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Now I want to ask another question. Who wants to win a prize? Who wants to win a prize? I'll pick 3 from the audience. Hands down first. When I say 3, 2, 1, you guys raise up your hand as high up in the air as possible, okay? 3, 2, 1. You in gray, and you in the stripes, and you in the glasses. Come on up, come on up. Give them a round of applause. Don't worry, the game's later on, okay? So, over here, what's your name? What? Hi, and how are you? What's your name? And you? Okay, I'm going to have a Q&A session here, question and answer session. Let's see how well you know the Angry Birds, okay? So, can you name one type of Angry Bird? The red bird, round of applause. Mr. Greg, and you? Big bird, what's your name? Look behind. That's a little clue. What's her name? Anyone want to help her, the pink bird? What's her name? Is it Angry Bird Stella? Is it? Is it? Let's get a round of applause. Big stuff. How about the yellow bird? What's the yellow bird's name? What's the yellow bird's name? You can help your friend out over here. Come on, tell him. Is it Chuck? Yes, round of applause for these 3 magnificent, very brave kids. So you each get a prize because they've been so cool, so amazing. Right? Coming to center stage is there. Come on. Oh, really? Kalipolo explains the GRO over here. Right? Next up, we have another competition. I need 2 more people to come on stage and play a funny game with me. Who wants to win? Prize. Right? Okay, hands down first. 1, 2, 3. Everyone hands up, okay? 1. Hands down, hands down, hands down. 1, 2, 3. You. How about you and your brother come up? Okay, a round of applause for these 2 very brave kids. So, right now, I'm going to play a really exciting game, alright? Use the steps, kids. So, a really exciting game. It's called the Angry Face Game. So basically, I want to see how angry your face can get. Parents, I know that you've seen those faces at home. When you don't give them a food or give them toy, they go like, "Rah, Mommy! Daddy!" So show me those faces, right? On the count of 3, you want to say, angry face. Give me an angry face to the audience, right? Face the audience. 1, 2, 3. Angry face. Yeah, that doesn't really scare me. Mommy and Daddy are going to be like, yeah, okay, I go back to your room. Give me a really angry face. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think you can do a little bit better. Come on, parents. Why don't we the parents of these kids? What are parents? Okay, there's no, okay. I'm sure that they have got faces far angrier than that. Make you go, oop, oop, okay, whatever you want, I'll give it to you, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Round of applause for these two very brave kids. Head over there to get your prize. So right now, you know what? I kind of feel like I hear the Angry Birds' footsteps. Kind of prancing around the area. I think they're here. But you know what? I think those Angry Birds might get scared off if everyone is really unfriendly. Like, they might like, so I need you guys to make them feel really invited and welcome. How about we do this? Let's clap our hands and let's go, Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Angry Birds. You guys need to be a lot louder to make them feel welcome. 1, 2, 3.
Angry Birds.
Now on a scale of 1 to 10, give me 10 angry. Angry Birds! Angry Birds! Angry. I hear something. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Red. Hi Red, everyone say hi Red. Hi Red, how are you doing today? Come on over. Come over here a little bit. Make room for the next one up, introducing Chuck. Everyone say hi, Chuck. And now for the first ever Singaporean appearance of Angry Bird, Stella. Hi, Stella. Everyone say hi, Stella. Stella's a little bit shy. It's her first time in Singapore. So everyone, can you just gently go, hi, Stella? That's cool. So who wants to take pictures with the Angry Birds? Really? I don't believe so. Who wants to take pictures with the Angry Birds? Okay, parents, kindly bring your kids to line up in a very neat queue in front of the stage over here, starting with this group of the crowd. And you are also help you take pictures if you want to take photos with the kids.